Jack Harvey here. Wanted to show you a little bit about my mortar racks. I build mine just a little bit different than everybody else's. Everybody else uses right here, they cut theirs 1.5 by or 2 by 3. I cut mine 2 3/8. That way it really makes them solid. This is a 5-shot rack. This right here is, well, from here to here is 12 inches. This is 15 inches. This is 15 inches. Then over here on the side, I built a little rack out of scrap lumber so I can set my electronic firing device. And I put some legs on it here so it won't tip over. But most of mine are 5-shot. I've got some 10-shot, 20-shot. But I just wanted to show you the difference between mine and everybody else's. Like I said, I cut these 2 3/8 wide. And that really gives it a tight fit. If you go 2.5, you got a little bit of play in it, which is okay, but 2 3/8 really makes them tight. Thanks for watching.